In this video, a full day of eating while on a road trip for 10 hours and how to stay on track while you're driving during the day. We're gonna do 2,000 calories and 240 grams of protein. Okay, well, we just got on the road and I already had my first meal of the day, so I'll just tell you what that is. I had 3 scoops of Legion Cinnamon Cereal Whey Plus protein powder for 360 calories and 66 grams of protein. If you don't have protein powder, I recommend Legion or Dymatize. Either one. One is not better than the other in my opinion, but I do work with Legion, so if you want to save 20% off, use code TEDSHREDS at checkout for 20% off. A huge tip for staying on track when you're on the road, you're traveling at all, is to bring protein powder or protein bars, but I like protein powder better because it is cheaper and you get more of a bang for your buck. So bring protein powder anytime you're traveling. You're gonna not only continue to hit your protein goal and stay on track, but you're gonna save money by not having to buy as many meals when you're going. Now, Emily and I woke up at about 2:30 in the morning to make this drive possible. Right now, it is currently 5 a.m.
Just a 6-piece nugget with barbecue sauce.
Okay.
And a medium fry.
Okay.
And I'll do it.
6 pieces of barbecue and a medium fry.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and total's gonna come out to be $626.99. Thank you.
How are you?
Just like how we came up here, we're gonna be splitting the driving. So we each get 4 hours of driving, give or take, right? But if you notice that dangling thing from her rear view mirror, me shirtless, we did not make that. My aunt screenshotted it from my Instagram and then made air fresheners and gave them out.
I think it's funnier to just let people notice it and then tell them. First of a few pit stops. Meal number 2 is going to be 490 calories and 90 grams of protein. I haven't even opened this yet, but it's gonna be jalapeno beef jerky. I'm not gonna eat this in all one sitting. I'm gonna actually eat it throughout the entire car ride, snack on it, take bites when I want. And that's kind of gonna be the same thing for meal number 3. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing in one sitting, as you'll see here. This is another tip. If you're on the road, buy beef jerky. It's extremely high protein
extremely satiating and filling. The only downfall about it is it's pretty expensive. $10 for this one bag, so $10 for one meal. But you cannot beat 480 calories with 90 grams of protein. The side eye. So last night, Emily and I went to her brother's wedding, and they had, for dessert, they had my weakness, which is cheesecake with a graham cracker crust. They had cheesecake bites though, not slices, so like the size of this quarter and as high as a quarter was stacked on top of a quarter, that big. I had about 20 of them, so definitely overate yesterday. Yesterday was not a consistent day for me in terms of my nutrition. And a key thing to take away from this is don't punish yourself for overeating, right? I mark an X on my calendar, and I remember how it feels to get that X, right? It doesn't feel great, but you just move on from it and you continue to eat and stay on track after that day, right? So I'm not having 1,000 calories today, I'm having double that. I'm having 2,000 calories today. But if you were to eat a little bit less on the day after, that's okay, due to hunger or, right, you wake up in the morning, you might feel nauseous like I did today. I was like, holy shit, I ate way too much yesterday, and I didn't eat breakfast until like 1 p.m. and then I had the protein shakes. But don't punish yourself after a day of overeating, just get back on track. Light white rice and then light brown beans or black beans. Yeah. Black beans. Yeah. That's good on beans. And then can I have chicken? Actually, can I do double chicken, please? Thank you. Yeah, can I have queso, corn, sour cream, cheese, and guac? And that's it. That's it. Thank you so much. All right, for 90 grams of protein and around 1,230 calories, I got Chipotle. And honestly, I think I said this earlier, I said there's no way I'm gonna eat the Chipotle in one sitting, but I was starving. I ate that entire bowl. But what I got is light white rice and light black beans. The guy looked at me like he's never had anyone say that to him before. Then, I don't know if you know this trick yet, but to get even more than double chicken, you say, hey, can I please have chicken? They do chicken, then they start to move on, but then you go, oh wait, can I please have double chicken? You end up getting a little bit more than just saying, can I have double chicken from the start? Guac, sour cream, and queso. Fact about me is I cannot handle spicy food at all. I'm the biggest baby. My body can't handle it either. Bathroom's gonna be rough tomorrow for me. The queso was super spicy for me, never getting that again. But jalapeno, I can handle jalapeno. If you're a smaller person than me, or if you just can't fit a 1,200 calorie meal in your budget when you're out driving around, you could always get a Chick-fil-A sandwich. They're only like 440 calories, but if you say no butter, you can get, I think you can get it down to 405 or 400 flat, and that's got about 32 grams of protein. Amazing option. Same with any place. Any fast food joint has like a chicken sandwich for around 32 grams of protein and 400 calories. However, Chipotle, if you wanted to make this even less calories, maybe skip out on either the rice or the beans, right? You're gonna wanna get one of those, but if you skip out on one of those, it would save you a lot of calories. And then of course, skip out on the sour cream, the cheese, and the queso. That will save you a lot of calories. And then if you're trying to voluminize the meal, get some lettuce. I don't like lettuce, and I rarely get lettuce on my Chipotle, so I did not get it. Yeah, so right now I'm absolutely stuffed. It is my turn to drive. That's why we're parked right now. Emily went into the store. She's insomnia cookies to look around real quick while I record this. And then I'm driving the rest 4.5 hours home. If I get hungry in that last couple hours, I still have some beef jerky to snack on, and that's gonna be the total 2,000 calories, around 2,000 calories. Of course, when you're eating out, you're never gonna be able to track this perfectly, right? That's why when you're losing weight, when you're trying to lose fat and optimize it, you wanna have 3 out-to-eat meals a week maximum, right? Optimal would be 0. That's not really realistic for the everyday life, so you want to shoot for 3 maximum. My biggest tips for staying on track when you're on the road like this is to bring a protein supplement and bring beef jerky. Protein powder plus beef jerky, you're gonna be set for protein for the day. All right, Emily is getting back with the insomnia cookies right now. She's probably being considerate. Oh, I locked her out. What'd you got?
Insomnia cookies. 6-pack. 2 double chocolate, white macadamia, 2 chocolate chip, and a peanut butter.
All right, well, Emily's back. I gotta go drive. Thank you guys for watching. 2,000 calories, 240 grams of protein for the day. If you enjoyed the video and got value out of it, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.
Unlikely.